Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on the device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now, unfortunately, by default, they are not named unless you pull it down again to extend it, at which point it will give you the names of it. Now, our battery saver is added by default somewhere over here, as you can see. So once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It turns the outline of it, and obviously it reduces the backlight brightness of your device quite significantly, and there's probably additional things happening in the background. So let me kind of go into it, what you might expect. So if you rely on Wi-Fi and mobile data to be permanently enabled, this might not be for you, because most power saving modes, though I don't know if this is the case for this one, as you can see there was no info, do turn that off when the device is in sleep mode while power saving mode is enabled. Meaning sleep mode would be considered this kind of state when you just lock it, don't use it for a couple minutes. It will go into sleep mode, standby mode, however you want to describe it, call it. But basically it will disconnect from both of those in this mode, and it might, I'm just clarifying this, it might reconnect every so often. So you shouldn't be left with just no notifications whatsoever for as long as you're not using it, though they will be delayed and delivered to you in bulk once the device decides to check for it. So if that is something that bugs you, that makes this kind of mode unusable for you, then you might be interested in, for instance, optimizing your battery in different ways. Now, the different ways would be things like lowering down your brightness to a level that you feel comfortable using your device, but it's not super bright. For instance, right now, this device is brighter than I actually need it, brighter than it needs to be, so it is consuming more of the battery. But I could, for instance, drop it down to something like this. Now on the camera, it might be a little bit too low. It is relatively dim, but this will be the biggest contributor to battery life. So this also applies to only screen on time. Just kind of want to clarify that. Now, another things that you could do to optimize your battery life is disabling things that you don't use. For instance, if you don't use Wi-Fi, turn it off. If you don't use Bluetooth, turn it off. And same goes for basically any other toggle right here, like my access, camera access, although those don't really matter. Those aren't used all the time, just by applications once you use the applications. Let's see. So QR code scanner doesn't really matter, but things like location, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. So there we go. There's location. There we go. We can turn that off. Close. Bluetooth off. Wi-Fi off. There we go. So those will contribute to a longer battery life. And obviously, in this way, you won't have the problem with your Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off at any point. So the device will continue to scan for updates from network as it usually would. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.